Let's listen to an expert doctor, Dr. Ravindra Sethia, MD Medicine, Sethia Clinic, Yeravada from Pune, for hypertension in young population along with the coronary artery disease and higher heart rate. Can be sure of happy heart? Doctor, how do we define hypertension and when should we conclude that the person has hypertension?
After 18 years of age, if the blood pressure is more than 140/90, we label them as a hypertension. Systolic blood pressure more than 140, diastolic pressure more than 90. But actually, there is an entity called as pre-hypertension or high normal hypertension, which also should be taken into account, where the BP, systolic BP is from 130 to 139 and diastolic is from 80 to 89. That also should be taken for lifestyle modification.
Doctor, can high blood pressure be completely cured?
High blood pressure, there are 90% of the people, they have primary hypertension. That means there is no cause for the hypertension. There are various risk factors. And 10% of the people may have secondary hypertension. And these are the hypertensions, if they are diagnosed properly, the hypertension can be cured in these cases, especially hypothyroidism, hyperthyroidism, kidney diseases, and primary hyperaldosteronism. These are the causes of secondary hypertension. These can be treated, but otherwise, hypertension is a lifelong condition. Patient has to adhere to the medications once it is diagnosed.
Doctor, has there been a recent increase in the incidence of hypertension and heart attack among young patients? If yes, then what could be the underlying cause?
Yes, hypertension is one of the important causes of hypertension, is important cause of the heart attack. And we have seen nowadays many young patients, because of their lifestyle changes, their dietary habits, sedentary lifestyle. So quite a few number of young people between 30 to 40, they have got hypertension. And it is patients of hypertension are almost 2 to 3 times more prone for getting heart attacks. They are also more prone for getting strokes also and heart failure also.
Thank you, doctor, for your time.